Guys, welcome to my channel. Now today we will unbox Firefly mechanical red switch gaming keyboard, and the model number is CBGK18 and it is of Cosmic Byte, switch to God mode, their motto. And the model number is Cosmic Byte CBGK18 Firefly. Here some technical specifications, and in the upper part some features are written, and here MRP informations are written. And the switch producer is Outemu, and the keystroke lifetime is 50 million. And it's anti-ghosting. All key are anti-ghosting. And when we will open the box, we will find our keyboard, CBGK18 Firefly. Then at the down, let's make it side. And after that we will find the manual of it. Cosmic Byte Firefly mechanical gaming keyboard user manual. Here some FN combination keys, and at the back side of the page it is written the specification and multimedia keys combination. And nothing is there in the box. The keycap puller is also not given here in the box. And after that, when we will open our keyboard, it is like this. And the upper part is metal, but the down part is of hard plastic. And here elevation clips are given, and here like this are given so that the keyboard will not slip. When we will do like this, the keyboard will not slip. And in elevation clips also the thing is given. Here you can see. Yes. The keys are also here like elevated. Elevation clips is also given. It looks so nice. Okay. And guys, when we will connect it through the PC in 2.2 or 3.2, it is now connected, and the RGB mode will here. We can change the RGBs by clicking FN and INS, and we can change the color by clicking FN and delete. Wait, let me turn off the lights, then it will be more visible. Yes, now it's this. When we will click FN plus INS, it's now the breathing mode. It's single color breathing. We can change it to pink color, and now it's white color. Now it's green color. No, it's the default one, the multicolor one. And like that, now it's the red color. Now it's green, and we can change the speed by clicking FN plus. The speed will increase up to 7 times, and FN plus minus, the speed will decrease 7 times. And after that, it's like this. Here also we can change color by click. It's the multicolor one. Then after FN, here no color is present, no more colors. Now it's the wave 2 one. We can change it by pressing FN left arrow key and FN right arrow key. When we will press FN and left arrow key, it will go like this, and FN and the right arrow key, it will go like this. And then after it comes the static mode or something like this. Oh, sorry. Now it's like this. It's here. Also we can change color. It's the blue one. It's the light blue. Here also we can change by pressing FN and speed by pressing FN and plus and FN and minus. Now it's the pink one. It's the white one. is the multicolor one, and it's red one, then green, then yellow. Then after that, it's now the breathing mode, and by pressing Fn and HM home, some like this will appear. Here also we can change by pressing Fn and Fn and del. It will change to blue color. Fn and del. It will change to light blue. Fn and del. Pink. Fn and del. White. Fn and del. It's the multicolor one. This, and by pressing Fn and HM, again it's another one. Here also you can change Fn and del, and now it's the best one. Here also we can change color, white, the multicolor one, then after red, then after green, then after yellow, then after light blue, pink, and it's also perky RGB. Here some gaming modes are also given. This mode I have done. These are the presets. This one preset. This I have done, and then after this is one preset. This is one preset, and last one light blue. And we can also customize it by the software like this, which I have done. This one I have done it through the software. And guys, when we will go to the switches, these are Outemu red switches. Here you can see. Let me turn off the light, and you can change brightness by pressing this and this, Fn plus this and this. The lights are off. Let me turn on the lights. Yes, these are Outemu red switches of Outemu, and red switches of Outemu brand, and we can replace it also. Means we can put another type of keycaps by not putting this. And guys, now let me do the sound test. The spacebar is the noisiest one. These are also because of the stabilizers present here. Here are the stabilizers, and here also stabilizer is present in spacebar key. Here you can see stabilizer. Here also one stabilizer is present. And guys, the final conclusion on this is you can go for this keyboard. This is one of the best budget range keyboard under 2500. I bought it in 2400 in Cosmic Byte, and I will also give you the links to buy in the description. You can surely go for it if you want a 10-less keyboard, or you can also choose the model of Red Gear, Shadow Blade or something like that. Or you can, if you want to make your price low, then in 1700 you can get Cosmic Byte CBGK 12 and 13. 12 is the blue switches one, and 13 is the brown switches one model. And I would really recommend it for you if you don't want that numpad, because it does not takes lot of space also, and it is easier to press also. But the main thing is here, if someone has small hands, then here it takes here it is little hard to go here FN keys. For that, for every keyboard have like this. Perhaps yes, every keyboard has, and yes, that's the best one, I think so, in this price range, because this is my third mechanical keyboard on this. I have tried Cosmic Byte CBZK17. No, this is the second mechanical, and I have tried Cosmic Byte CBZK13. No, sorry, not 13, 10 or something like this. Cosmic Byte CBZK Dragonfly, that one I have tried. Membrane keyboard. Yeah, that's my final opinion. You can go for it if you want a 10-less keyboard. Thank you.